Let's see how many we can get through in 60 seconds. I don't use any adhesives, any glue, just a wig grip. This little piece of material will keep your wig in place. It will not budge. I'll show you. All good. Yes, Lusta wigs are made of human hair. Be sure to apply some heat protectant before any heat styling, and heat style sparingly so you can prolong the life of your wig. Let's take a look. This is the inside of a lace front essential. Don't mind my makeup all over it, but here is the silk top. You can part your hair anywhere within this large U-shaped section. Your lace front and wefting along the back, velvet at the nape, and your ear tab. This is the cap of a Lusta Luxe lace top. You can see the large U-shaped section here made of lace. There is no transition to the lace front, wefting along the back, and again, velvet nape and ear tabs. But let's compare the two. So here you can see the difference. This is the lace top, this is the lace front. While we're at it, let's check out a topper. Here again, you have a silk top, so you can change your part anywhere within this section. You have wefting around the back and sides, and you have your clips. The answer to this is no. There is no level of hair loss that you have to have in order to wear a wig. You could have a full head of healthy hair, you could have no hair, or you can be anywhere in between those two. Choosing to wear a wig is a deeply personal decision, and you have to do what makes you feel best. Yes, you can. That was more than 60 seconds, but let me know what other questions you have in the comments and I'll do a part 2.